Good afternoon, one and all. Today we are going to perform the experiment of pharmaceutical chemistry 1. In that, the experiment number 2 is there. The aim of the experiment is to study different laboratory equipment and general glasswares used in pharmaceutical chemistry 1 laboratory. So in this experiment, you will study the different weighing balances, then the weight box, then how to weigh, that is the rules in weighing, and different glasswares. Among them, the glassware you observed in experiment number 1, that is introduction to laboratory. So today we will see the different weighing balances. In that, see the name of the weighing balances. In that, if we consider the weighing balances, in that the physical balance is there, then the analytical balance is there, triple beam balance is there, then torsion type balance is there, single pan electronic balance, and platform electronic balance. See, this is a physical balance. We called it as prescription balance also. See, 2 pans are there. We have to keep butter paper having same weight on both of the pan, and we have to keep the weights. See, the weights are given here. In olden days or in previous years, these balances are used for compounding the medication. See, these are the weights are given here. See, to use the physical balance, we require weights. See, the weights are given here. See, this is 100 gram, 50 gram, then this is of 20 gram, then again this is 10 gram, this is 5 gram, then 2 gram, and it is of 1 gram. And see, these fractional weights are also given here. Here the different weights are there: 500 milligram, 200 milligram. 2 weights are there for 200 milligram, then 100 milligram, and this is of 50 milligram. So these weights are nothing but they are made up of heavy metal alloys, and it is cylindrical in shape. See the shape, it is cylindrical in shape and having knob at the top. So this fractional balance, fractional weights are made up of the generally aluminium and aluminium foil, and all these weights are calibrated. In our chemistry 1 laboratory, we have 3 balances. Analytical balance is also there, we will see later. Then this is single pan electronic balance is also available for regular weighing. We use this balance, and the physical balance are also present in our chemistry lab. See how to operate this single pan electronic balance. Ensure that the balance is calibrated. Put a clean butter paper on the pan, then tear the balance at the, see, we have to tear the balance. Then add the required amount of material to be weighed. We have to add slowly the required amount of material. See, the weight become 0.7. See, now it become, we require 1 gram. See, now it become 1 gram. Then transfer the material to the suitable container and put back the butter paper on the pan. See, this is a single pan balance, and see, this is a analytical balance. See the different parts of analytical balance. See, this is a support, this is support, then